You guys, what in the world? When Dr. Joe said, change your energy, change your life, he meant it. This is day 7 of me doing Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations every single day, and I'm starting to see the shifts in my external world. So for day 7, I did the generating gratitude meditation, and the music, the beat, the rhythm is actually the same one that I said I did not enjoy back in day 3. But honestly, day 7, I'm getting used to it and I'm actually loving it. And it really helps me to tune in and feel my heart open. This meditation is only 15 minutes, but it is incredibly amazing and so powerful for such a short session. And I just have to tell you what happened on this day when I did the generating gratitude meditation. So my friend and I went for brunch at this delicious place in Bali, and we're having such a great time. And we see these two guys seated close to our table, and they're just looking at us, and we could tell that they were trying to catch our eye, but we were just literally in our own little world. We're having fun, having great conversations and all of that. And we wanted to end the brunch with cocktails. So we asked for the menu, and again, this place was full. We were not the only people, and we're definitely not the only women. Finally, they catch our eye and we make a conversation, and they just ask us where we're from, our names, and they're like, do you want us to recommend a delicious cocktail for you? And we're like, yeah, of course. So they order these cocktails for us, and we just start to have a really great conversation with these two men. They were not sleazy, and they were not trying to get our numbers. They were just genuinely interested in hearing our stories and just connecting with us. So the cocktails came, and it was so good. And we just continued to have a great time with these guys, and they're like, by the way, these cocktails are on the house. And we're like, oh no, that's okay, and they're like, no, we insist. We own this place. And we're like, oh. And again, maybe they do this regularly, who knows, but that day they didn't have to do it to our table. It was full. There were other people, but they still chose to sit with us, connect with us, get to know us, and buy us cocktails. So that was the first abundant thing that happened that day. And I was like, okay, great. We met these two amazing men. We got free cocktails. That is abundance. And another thing that happened right after that was this guy that I dated 6 years ago, very briefly, sent me a message. He asked me how I was. And I'm like, I haven't talked to you in so long. What made you reach out? And he's like, just wanted to see how you were and catch up. And I was like, that's not a coincidence. And I don't have any specific feelings for this guy, but it's just really good to reconnect and be in each other's vicinity energetically again, if that makes sense. And then we went for dinner at this amazing Italian place in Bali called Amici. You should definitely go there next time you're in Bali and tell them Silkina sent you, okay? But anyway, my friend and I had the most delicious dinner, and when we ordered dessert, they gave us free mango sorbet. And it was so good. My friend and I literally felt something when we ate it. But it's just crazy how many free things and all the connections we made in just one day. And just by connecting to that feeling of gratitude. I had the most magical day ever. And I just loved being in flow. And I just felt like things happened for me. I didn't have to force. People were reciprocating that magnetic energy that I was putting out. And this is just proof that if you love life, life will love you back. We didn't have to get these things for free. I've been to that dinner place a few times and I didn't get anything for free the last time, but this time around it was just magical. We ordered a tiramisu and we got a mango sorbet for free. And the people that we met that are now our friends, those connections are not coincidental. And I'm just really excited to see where this meditation journey takes me again, because it's only day 7, it's only been a week, and I'm already experiencing these serendipitous connections and literally getting things for free. I don't care that I don't even really drink that much. Getting free cocktails for brunch was amazing, and getting a free dessert, a whole ass dessert, is that's something that I'm so grateful for. So let me know if you're also doing this Joe Dispenza meditation journey. I know that some of you are commenting and saying that you're on the journey as well. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and honestly, the more the merrier. Let's do this meditation together, and let's experience all the magic that life has to offer. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.